ॐ क्रीं 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 ह्रीं 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 हुं 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 दक्षिणकालिके क्रीं 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 ह्रीं 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 हुं 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 स्वाहा। माँ दक्षिणकालिके नमः। प्रसन्नो वरदो भव, प्रसन्नो वरदो भव, प्रसन्नो वरदो भव। Welcome to Siddha Sadhak Parivar. Before sharing any spiritual practices or techniques, we want to clarify our objectives. Through this channel, we aim to uncover our endangered Vidyas from our Vedas and Purans and apply it to modern times. So, let's begin today's chapter. Today, in this episode, we are going to discuss about Saraswati Siddhi for children, and we will give the correct path to perform this sadhana. As you know, a child well groomed with virtues and with intelligence is bound to be successful in life. Many a time, it's been seen that even after the child puts conscious efforts, the child still fails to recall the learnt subjects. As a result, the child doesn't perform well in tests or examinations. The parents or relatives start to feel the child is not putting in the best efforts, and a stressful environment gets created around the child. On the contrary, there are also some children who don't want to study at all, no matter how much their parents try to help the children, they don't focus on the studies. As a result, these children also start a lack in their studies and within a few years leave their education. In the both cases, the future of the child is not bright. What if there is a way by which the child starts to take keen interest in the studies and retain what is learnt? And not only this, but the child also starts to explore things by themselves, how the world around them works, why they work the way they are designed, can it be done in a better way. Such children for sure will have a great future and will also benefit the society a lot. The way out is to worship Goddess Saraswati and perform her sadhana. One needs a Saraswati yantra and crystal rosary for this procedure. On the day of Vasant Panchami, the sadhak may be parents as well if the child cannot perform the procedure. Should get up early and take a bath, get into fresh white clothes and sit on a white mat facing east. Take a wooden plank and cover it with fresh white cloth. Place a picture of your Gurudev from where you got the Diksha and worship him with vermilion, rice grains, and flowers. Light a ghee lamp and an incense stick. Then chant one round of your Guru given Guru mantra with the rosary and pray to your Gurudev for success in sadhana. Next, what to do? Next, pray to Mother Goddess speaking, whose complexion is as white as jasmine flower, moon and snow, who wears white clothes, who has a veena in her hands, who sits on a white lotus, who is continuously worshipped by gods like Brahma, Vishnu, and Shiva, and who removes ignorance from the life of her devotees. May that goddess Saraswati nurture me. Then take a plate and put Saraswati yantra over it. Bath the yantra with fresh water and inscribe Harim over it with vermilion. Make a mark on the yantra with Ashtagandha and on the forehead. Next chant one round of very powerful Saraswati mantra with very energized crystal rosary. And the very powerful Saraswati mantra is Om Hrim Aim Hrim Saraswate Namaha. Take a silverware or use your finger to write Aim on the tongue of the child. Next, take a white thread and tie the yantra around the neck of your child. One should use separate yantra for every child. This completes the sadhana procedure. and it is advised that the child should continue to chant one round of very powerful Saraswati mantra for best result. And it is guaranteed by Siddha Sadhak Parivar. You will soon see how your child has started to take keen interest in the studies and improvement in the grades. This is our guarantee. One who interested to perform this divine sadhana, our email ID is mentioned in the video. You can contact us and we will guide you with deliver you the things to be used in this sadhana at your doorstep. Kindly subscribe our YouTube channel as much as possible to join us. That's it for today. Om Krim 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 Rim 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 Hum 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 Dakshina Kalike क्रीम 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 ह्रीम 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 होम 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 स्वाहा माँ दक्षिणा कालिके नमः। प्रसन्नो वरदो भव, प्रसन्नो वरदो भव, प्रसन्नो वरदो भव। जय सिद्ध साधक परिवार।